going to be doing the paper knife. So you need 2 paper pieces. You simply cut them cubes. And so you're gonna fold this side, and like first you're gonna fold it frontwards, not this way, this way. Fold it this way, and then like that. Yeah, fold it like that. And now you're gonna have these. So then you're just gonna do it like a paper airplane. So a paper airplane way. Go mini paper airplane and do all sides. And then you roll it over. As you can see, it's like this. So it's like this. And then you roll over one more time. And there it is. The mini pocket knife. You can see the points. And for the other paper, it's gonna go like this. So it's a new one. So you're gonna do the same thing, all sides. You can do the same thing like paper airplane. All sides. Right, then you're gonna get this little angle and fold it. See this little angle? And you see the little thing right there? You know, when I said all sides, do all sides so it looks like this. And then fold this. You see there's 2 squares right here. Fold this over there and fold it again once more. Then you'll start to have this. So those 2 are good. And then you fold it one more time. And you'll have a shorter one. And that's how you make 2 mini pocket knives. A big one and a little one. And I'll show you one of my other ones. It's over here. See it? It's right here. The skinny one. I'll make a new video to how to make this one too. So this is how to make this one and this one. Almost the same directions, but different. So, bye.